All right, welcome back, students and YouTubers. Today I'm going to talk about layers. So this is the digital photography, digital painting, digital concept here. And so I will eventually be talking about this with Procreate, but this is layers. So what I did is I used some plastic laminate here, okay? So I drew on one layer. This would be your line art. And then I have a couple other blank layers, which we'll use in a little bit. And then this right here is purple, or we could do brown, or we could do green. It'd be like our background layer. Okay, so in Procreate, that's at the very bottom. So we put our line work here, okay, and then I can put a new layer right here. And let's say we want to color one of these. All right, so we are using purple on the layer above my line work. That way I can actually see what I'm coloring in. And one of the great reasons to use different layers for different colors or different locations or different areas is you can adjust the color later. And you'll see that later when we work digitally, where you can modify the color after you do it. In this case, we're just swapping out or hiding a layer. And then we are making a new layer, and then we're trying red, and we're kind of experimenting on what color we like. So that's another visual example of why we would have multiple layers. It might sound like a lot of work, but it does save a lot of time in the end. So here we put the line work on top, and then we decided we're going to try the color, the purple on top, and then we're moving things around, checking background colors, because remember, color has an important use in your artwork's image. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.